आपने बोला कि जितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग ग्रिप होती है उतना शार्प ब्रेन होता है. डज दैट ऑल्सो मीन कि अगर मैं जितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग ग्रिप करूंगी उतना शार्प ब्रेन बनेगा?
100%.
लाइक आई कैन प्रैक्टिस इट ऑल्सो.
Yes, absolutely.
Wow.
Absolutely.
इसका लॉजिक क्या है? स्ट्रॉन्ग ग्रिप एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रेन,
Because the
क्या लॉजिक है?
impulses which will go to the brain are increased, you know, the way in which the processing of, because everything is an impulse, right? When I want to touch this also, there is an impulse which is going. So the more faster the impulses are going to the brain, the better it is wired. There is a very simple hack by this, you know, so you just press all the 5 fingers and then see
This mudra.
this mudra is Hakini mudra. It's for concentration and focus. But जहाँ पे very gently if you touch the tips और देखे कि कहाँ पे pressure नहीं आ रहा है. Where do you not feel the pressure? Is there some area where you don't feel the pressure? That is the area where you need to work. So this is occipital, this is parietal, this is temporal, this is your prefrontal and this is your prefrontal. तो सारे brain के lobes ही इसमें represented है.
So अगर मैं आपको अपना बताऊं,
कौन से में नहीं है?
मेरा इस इंडेक्स फिंगर में कम प्रेशर है.
इंडेक्स में कम है, which is around somewhere frontal के आसपास.
And that relates to?
That relates to executive functions, thinking, decision making, a little bit of fog, memory.
Okay. Maybe because it's a long conversation already.
Yeah. But you know, you can check it in multiple days in time, you know. And the moment you will do some breathing exercises, the moment you will be relaxed and calm, वापस से अपना same pressure हो जाएगा. So there are a lot of ways in which, you know, hands तो are like amazing switchboards to your brain's capabilities.
Okay. So ये मुद्रा प्रैक्टिस करना भी, या फिर इसको अगर इंटेंशनली भी प्रैक्टिस किया जाए,
बिल्कुल, there's another
will that also help in sharpening the aches?
Yes, there's another mudra also. A lot of politicians, a lot of people also, you know, because this also again same activation of your frontal cortex, so your decision making abilities, your emotional regulation, all that can improve. There was a study which was done. I was about to mention that study कि एक scientist थी. She thought कि चलो let's see what if I'm telling the people that they are young, what is happening in their physiology.
Okay.
So she took some 70 years and old onwards. So 70 से लेके 85 years के थे people. They took her in 1 week's retreat. उस 1 week की retreat में only the young people's pop music and young jazz, and there was a lot of interactions with very young people, and the movies which were shown was of young, and the talk which was done was of all the young, etc. and all. After 1 week later, all these people, the toe length was measured, and then their cane walking speed was measured, their cognitive strength was measured. The cognitive strength increased by 66%.
66. That's a huge difference.
All of them, 100%.
Wow.
100% left the cane. सारे लोग अपने आप चलने लगे. कितने हफ्ते? 1 हफ्ता. क्या बताया गया? Subliminally, consciously, affirmation से कि आप young है. So age and everything also, yes, by the means of affirmation, by the means of anything. Command is all that your body demands, and the way you command will decide how your life works.
So what you keep telling yourself is also very, very important. If you'll keep
Extremely
telling yourself,
important.
यार मैं तो बूढ़ा हो गया हूँ, मेरा तो ये हो गया है, मैं तो ऐसे हूँ, तो it's not going to
और
take you anywhere.
ये हमें ना बचपन से समझना है. माँ बाप बच्चों के साथ कैसी लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं. शेम, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, गिर जाएगा, ये मत करो, ऐसा नहीं है, you know, they नहीं is always on to the card, which is not right, because then you already wired that subconscious.
Right.
So the way you talk to your kids is also a very important, very, very big science, I would say.
Thank you so much for watching this clip. This clip was a part of a full podcast जिसमें हमने और भी बहुत सी insightful बातें की हैं, and I'm sure that you're going to love it. अगर आप पूरा एपिसोड एंजॉय करना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है.